Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering gear and accounts so you can capture immediately. Mount your 360 degrees camera or open the panoramic app on your phone. Make sure battery is at least 80% and storage is free. Sign into the Google Street View app with the account you will publish from. This ties imagery to your profile. Once done, turn on location and set GPS accuracy high, then preview the route you will walk so you can capture steady, continuous 360 degrees frames without stopping. You now capture the actual 360 imagery with technique and intention. Mount the camera at a consistent height, roughly 5 to 7 meters, so horizons align across shots. Use a tripod or stick to reduce wobble. Walk at a steady, slow pace, overlapping frames by about 20 to 30% to help automatic stitching. Make sure to monitor the live preview. If you see glare, motion blur, or a sudden GPS jump, stop and retake that segment so your final panorama is clean. You finish by uploading and publishing to Google Street View, and then confirming everything appears correctly. Open the Street View app, choose your 360 shots, connect overlapping points in the editor, add titles or dates, and publish while on stable Wi-Fi to avoid corruption. Once published, inspect your imagery on Google Maps for alignment or blur. If something goes wrong, upload fails, weird seams, or missing location, retry on Wi-Fi, clear the app cache, or export a stitched JPEG and reupload as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.